Annyeong! It's been a long time since my last upload, right? Anyways, Twice dropped their 6 World Tour concert schedule part 1 last night. Twice, this is for World Tour part 1. Incheon, July 19 to 20. Osaka, July 26-27. Aichi, August 23 to 24. Fukuoka, August 30 to 31. Tokyo, September 16 to 17. Macau, September 27-28. Bulacan, October 4, or it's just one day. I hope they will add a day 2 concert for the Philippines. Singapore, October 11 and 12. Sydney, November 1 and 2. Melbourne, November 8 and 9. Kaohsiung, November 22. Oh, they have a Taiwan concert. This is their first time to do a concert in Chewy's hometown. Hong Kong, December 6. Bangkok, December 13 and 14. For the Philippine concert, I didn't expect that they will be included in concert part 1. I really expected it next year, 2026. But yeah, this is a good news for Philippine Wances. They will be coming back again as soon as possible. But yeah, this is all for the update. I just want to do the video for this 6 World Tour of Twice. And I know all of us will really be excited to see them again to perform live. Yeah, bye!